Hi guys, in this video you're gonna learn how to use Google My Business for local SEO. Step 1. Claim and verify your business. Go to Google My Business website, then follow the instructions to add your business information. Verify your business by choosing a verification method. Then step 2. Optimize your business information. Ensure your business name, address, and phone number are accurate. Choose relevant and specific categories that you accurately represent your business. Then step 3. Enhance your business profile. Add high-quality images that showcase your business products or services. And last, monitor and manage your Google My Business listing. Regularly check your Google My Business dashboard for updates, customers, messages, and insights. Respond to customer inquiries and reviews promptly. And track insights and analytics provided by Google My Business to understand how customers are finding and interacting with your business. So that's how to use Google My Business for local SEO. If you like this video, please click the subscribe button and click the bell icon to notify you to our next tutorial. Thanks for watching.